It's Columbus firmly in control with an impressive 28-point lead as the quarter ends. And they've been shooting the lights out from the arc. All those threes have this poised for a blowout. We'll be right back after this word. Welcome you back to second quarter action. Plenty of basketball left to play, but this one has been one-sided so far. And what do you guys think about the visitors here in this one?
Well, it seems like they went in looking to do damage from long range, and they faced little resistance.
Pretty prime example here of how to space the floor and do it correctly. When you do it, that's the kind of thing that happens.
And it's Sampson in at the 5, down low.
They really have a commanding lead, not just in points, but in rebounds as well.
And it's Baller in at the 4-man spot. Here's Baller driving in, and that one is stuffed right through.
With 2 hands on the rock, he powers it through.
Totally in control, protecting the ball the whole way. And for Toronto, and it's Sampson in at the center, locking down the middle.
Columbus foul call. Williams. First person. Personal foul. First team foul.
Pass to Ferguson. Here's Carr. His last outing, we saw him score 13. And last season, we saw an unprecedented offensive explosion around the league, Brett. Is that the new normal, you think?
I'm not sure, B.A. It's been exciting to watch. The revolution has been televised over the last 5 years, and the skill level is at an all-time high. The usage rate for star players keeps seeming to go up and up and up, but teams are surrounding their stars with shooters and leaning into the three-point line, and it's been fun to watch.
Here's Baller. And that's off the glass and in. Baller's got 22.
And his fantastic performance from the last game has carried over to tonight.
And the coach pretty smart for zoning in on him and giving him opportunities to stay with that confident play.
They're having a hard time with fouls. It's still early, but one more and they'll be over the limit.
Gotta love the effort there. An undersized forward who can really make things happen with that leaping ability.
Second quarter of action, about a minute and a half played. Livingston passes to Baller.
Columbus foul call. Number 4. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Here's Ferguson. His last outing, we saw him score 13. Got a piece of it. Toronto shooting a nice 50% for the game. Pass to Roberts. Fires the 3. The shot comes out.
And right now, they're +8 in the rebounding category. That's helping them run away with this.
Here's Baller. Knocks down the long J. Baller's got 9 points.
They've been pretty lax with their perimeter defense, giving up a lot of three-pointers.
Here's Roberts. The 6-footer. Uses the glass to drop it in. For Columbus, they've gotten 3 of 4 field goals in the second quarter. And here in the second quarter of action, just a hair under 2.5 minutes played.
I just love the strong finish there inside.
Man, he's got that dunker's mindset, doesn't he? Always ready to pounce. Here's Ferguson. 13 points in the game.
Just great offense. The screen freeing him up for the slam.
Hey, without that screen, he doesn't get a clean look at the rim.
Yeah, why settle for the layup when you can attack the rim and rise up like that?
Hey, good.
They've had a hard time shutting down the three-point shot.
Here's Toronto with the ball. It'll be game number 2 in their 5-game homestand.
B.A., the one-hand dunk just looks so fluid.
Man, absolutely. Even smooth when he's powering it home like that. Here's Baller.
He got his timing down
And it's flushed down. A nice jam.
Just rising up to the rim.
Man, when he gets up there, he gets up there. You know what I'm saying? Here's Ferguson. He's got 15. And down it goes. 2 points. Roberts has got 6. Quarter.
This story in the second quarter, much different than the one in the first. We're finally seeing some aggression.
Here's Baller. Money from the wing.
D has been just completely helpless and turned around. He's so dangerous when he's in this kind of rhythm.
Here's ABC. It's deflected. Here's Baller. He's got 26. Here's Baller. Oh, and there's a one-hand jam.
This can make it so much easier for your teammate when you throw that lead pass that gets to him right on the money, whether that's on the run or in the shooting pocket.
That one rocked this arena.
That's the kind of dunk right there that makes you think he's going to rip down the rim. Here's Baller. Gets the three to fall. Baller's got 29 points.
And just totally relentless, only increasing the intensity level.
Yeah, he's the guy that you want to go to right now, trying to put this one away.
These defenders really need to man up, particularly in the lane.
The 17-footer. And yes, it goes. Got a little English on that one. Baller's got 31 points. And from the sideline, let's catch up with Allie.
Brian, Commissioner Adam Silver has done a 180. Once in favor of raising the NBA age limit to 20, he now supports lowering it back to 18. He said it's the right thing to do, adding that the opportunity to work with players at a younger age on not just skills, but mental health, diet, character, and values could be in everyone's best interest. PA?
Well, it didn't happen yet, Allie. We'll see. And it's Smart missing. For Toronto, they've gotten 7 of 12 shots to go here in the second. Down low. Here's Sampson. Uses the glass on the layup.
That's been... the story of their offense so far. Getting a number of looks from point-blank range.
Pass to Livingston. Here's Baller. And yes, it's good. He's 7 for 8 now.
Seemed to be laying in the weeds there in the first quarter, but now we're seeing him come out, put all the cards on the table, and ramp it up.
ABC. Cash money on the open jump shot. ABC's got 8 points here in the quarter.
Taking people to school with moves like that.
Here's Baller. Buries it from 3.
Number 5.
Ooh, this guy is as hot as they come from distance. Defensively, you almost have to pick him up once he crosses half court.
Here's Ferguson. He's got 15.
Really heads up there. A play where you locate the best open pass and then you get it there for an easy bucket.
Pass to ABC. Here's Kim. Out of bounds. As Toronto keeps possession.
The ball goes to Toronto.
So both teams making some changes here.
On the court.
Here's Starks. Shots blocked. Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
Toronto ball.
Six on the shot clock. Knocks down the 18-footer. How about the unselfishness of this team?
Yeah, the willingness to make the next pass has this defense scrambled. You're not going to get stops against him unless you give an effort.
Here's Ferguson. And he drops it in from the low post. Ferguson's got 17 points.
He's been terrific tonight, and with a little help from the other guys on the floor, they might be able to turn this game around.
Number
A
5.
nice shot by Baller.
Just how awesome is it to watch the best of the best start to dominate in a game?
Here's Ferguson. The rebound by May.
They've shown the power inside. Their rebounding effort has been sensational.
Out to the right wing. Here's Starks. Drains the triple. He's got 5.